Did you know that trees have a secret communication system that sends straight out of a sci-fi movie? Dubbed the World Video Web. This phenomenon is underground network where trees and plants share nutrients and send alerts about environmental threats. It relies on fungal connections called mycorrhizae that interlink various plants' roots, allowing them to transfer information and resources. This incredible system shows just how interconnected and possible strategic plants are. What other secrets could plants be hidden, or are there similar systems in other ecosystems? Let's dive deeper into nature's mysteries together. Share your thoughts and theories in the comments, and don't forget to like and follow for more incredible stories.